Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we are checking out the all-new 2025 Clipper 11,000 series by Coachmen RV. This little guy is packed full of great features. It's about 16 feet long, comes in a little under 2,500 pounds. A lot of cool upgrades on this thing, but we're going to take a few minutes here and kind of walk you through the inside and the outside and go over this RV. We'll be right back on the inside. All right, we are now stepping up into the all-new 2025 Clipper 11,000ROK Overland trailer style here. So kind of getting up into your RV here. You are going to have kind of a rear dinette slash bed setup here, depending on what mode you got it set up in. But you do have a couple large deep tent safety glass windows here that do open, so you can get a nice cross breeze going on here. You're going to have some overhead shelf space up there. Now I currently have this in dinette mode. You could sit for maybe 6 people here pretty comfortably, but the table size itself though is really more for about 4 people. Now this will actually make into one big super bed. So you can kind of see that popping up here in the picture area. And then underneath, you can also store stuff down on the right side and also back there in the middle. So you can maybe get you some little bins or something. And then there's more down on the left side under the bed. But get you a couple of those totes or something to maybe put some of your clothes and things in. You're going to have an electric outlet over here, the power awning button, and a couple light switches right there. You have the pleated pull down shades on your windows, smoke detector up top here. Then over here on this side, you are going to have your AC system right there. There's a 30 amp solar charge controller for the solar panel that's on the roof. You could expand that to more if you wanted to. There's a propane furnace thermostat right there, USB charger port, and electric outlet also. Now coming around to the front side of the RV here, you are going to have some cubbies up there so you could stash you some more goodies. You got some hanging space here in the middle. You do have a large turbo exhaust fan up there. They did a curtain setup here, so you are going to have a little cassette toilet, kind of what you find on, some boats and also like pop-up campers and stuff. But you got a nice little cassette toilet area here for the late night emergencies. Over on this side, you're going to have some shelf space. You got your furnace exhaust out right there. There's also a cable outlet and electric outlet there. And there's a backer, so you could maybe mount you a TV or something here if you wanted to. And then over here is going to be your entry exit door. This thing is designed to be shorter. Again, kind of more off-roady, lightweight, coming in under 2,500 pounds. Only about close to 16 feet long. But it is very cool, and it's actually pretty roomy. I'm actually able to stand up in here. I know most of the taller guys probably would have issues. But, this thing is pretty roomy for a small, lightweight RV right here. All right, we're going to step outside. I want to show you around the outside and the roof and stuff like that. We'll be right back on the outside. All right, we are now back on the outside of the brand new 2025 Clipper 11,000 series here. Starting here on the door side, working our way around for you. So first things up, this is an aluminum exterior. You have some vinyl graphics. You're going to have those deep tent safety glass windows. You have a power awning here with an LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting. It does have a little pet-friendly leash latch holder down there. You got a double entrance step, some off-road tires, basically steel wheels, easy lube hubs, drum brakes. You got an outside electric outlet out here. Now just around the back corner right here, you are going to have a propane hookup right there. So you could plug in a griddle that comes with it. Goes on this little slide out tray that was in the box that you've seen in front of the cassette toilet in there. But you set up your little griddle right here, plug it in down there. You are going to have a 12-volt mini fridge here. You also have a high point microwave right there. You have your hot and cold outside sink area here. You are going to have a water pump switch back here, the water heater switch to ignite the water heater on gas. You do have quite a bit of cabinet space and shelf space up here as well. Now it's pretty cool. The door kind of acts as an awning when it is out. And you can kind of see what it looks like down there as well. Now moving around to this side here, I want to take a quick second and show you what the roof actually looks like on this thing. All right, guys, I just wanted to hop up here real quick, kind of get you an idea on what the roof of the 11000 ROK might look like for you. So first things up, you do have a turbo exhaust fan roof vent right here in the front. You can obviously see the crossbars that this was ordered with, and also the solar panel that it was ordered with as well. Now this is a fiberglass roof on the top of this thing, so it's a little more rugged and stuff if you're putting stuff up here. Obviously you still want to be careful, don't smash stuff into your roof, but it's definitely going to be a little bit stronger if something does kind of brush up against it. You know, you're putting kayaks up here, or bikes up here, or whatever. So definitely like that they went fiberglass on this part up here. Now, they do offer a tent that you could also consider adding aftermarket for extra sleeping and stuff up here. But the main point of kind of getting up here, guys, was to show you there are a handful of things up here. You do need to get up here, maintain your seams and your seals and everything to be sure to keep it from leaking on any RV. Doesn't matter if it's, you know, fiberglass or rubber, PVC, whatever. They're all going to have these little items installed on their roofs that you do got to maintain. All right, let's head back down. All right, back down here on the ground, guys, just really important. Remember, do your roof maintenance and stuff. Extremely, extremely important. All right, so back here in this corner, you are gonna have your 6-gallon water heater. You are gonna have a hot and cold outside utility shower, your gravity fill fresh water inlet. You're gonna have a detachable 30-amp power cord right here, low point water drain, and the drain for the sink and stuff all right down there. You're gonna have a cable inlet, city water inlet, winterization port, and also a port for a portable solar panel too. If you wanted to add extra solar to it, you could do so right there. Again, you have kind of those metal fender skirts that flare out over your wheels there. You're going to have your AC sticking out the side right there. And then right here, this is the section where you actually dump the toilet. This is a cassette toilet system, kind of what you find on some boats and maybe some pop-up campers and stuff like that. So very similar. You're going to have your furnace exhaust out right here. Then you're going to have some really important data stuff here. So for example, this is the production date sticker. It tells me this RV was built 11/11 of 24. Model number 11000 ROK. You have a gross weight. Now this is the most you can load it up to. Axle weight, hitch weight, everything combined. Do not exceed this number. You are 3,765 pounds right there. And down here, according to this actual dry weight sticker, this one rolled off the assembly line at 2,454 pounds dry with these options. Again, exterior length 16 feet 1 inch. So those are some very important numbers just to remember before you hook up to this with whatever tow vehicle you got and you try to tow it around. Now, I almost forgot to mention, right up top there, it is prepped for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder. That's a very nice ladder system you can use to get up and down on and off the roof. And then they also do have kind of like a tent aftermarket thing that you could do and put on top of those bars that you've seen when we were looking at the roof to basically sleep extra guests up top if you want. Pretty cool. Up around here to the front, you are going to have a lower diamond plate metal, manual tongue jack. You have a 2-inch hitch ball. You will have single 20-pound propane tank, breakaway cable, heavy-duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You're going to have your spare tire mounted underneath it here. And there's room to where you could do 1 or 2 batteries, depending on the size of the batteries and stuff. It doesn't come with any batteries from the RV maker. However, it does come with at least 1 battery and box when you purchase from Couch's RV Nation. They do include one. If you wanted a second one, guys, be sure to talk with your salesperson about doing something like that too. All right, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this tour on the Coachmen Clipper 11000 ROK model here. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys, one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. And if you haven't done so already, please remember to smash that like button, help out the channel. Thanks again.